we would like to express our deepest sympathies to the family, Attorney Lenny and the 3 children, and other relatives and friends of Secretary Jesse Robredo. Also, our sincere condolences to the government of the Philippines and to the millions of Filipinos who have been inspired by the life of a great public servant, Secretary Jesse Robredo. The World Bank, together with many partners in development, salute you, Secretary Robredo, or Jesse, as you always want us to call you. The development community has a long history of partnership in supporting decentralization and local government reforms in the Philippines. Yet, your appointment as head of the Department of Interior and Local Government marked an important shift in the focus and the commitment of the government to reforms. At the beginning of your term, you chaired a meeting with the Working Group on Decentralization and Local Government, and how delighted we were to hear the principles of your reform agenda, which you then outlined as empowered and accountable local government units, transparent and effective local governance, and engaged citizenry. You quickly put this agenda into action. The full disclosure policy, the seal of good housekeeping, and the Performance Challenge Fund were just a few of the innovative reforms that you successfully implemented in your 2 short years as the leader of the DILG. But your greatest legacy, perhaps, even from the time you were mayor of Naga City, was your unwavering belief in the genuine participation of the people. And you created a space and mechanisms for civil society to be meaningfully involved in local governance. Last week, just 2 days before the tragic accident, I had the honor to be with him during the launch of a knowledge partnership in monitoring local public services at the De La Salle University. In your keynote speech, he said, "Good local governance can be the conclusion of our unfinished revolution. This revolution can also be anchored on people like you, who serve rather than criticize, collaborate rather than divide, build up rather than tear down, people who engage to understand." I can never deliver like Secretary Robredo. He was such a good communicator. But these words are indeed the words of wisdom which should guide us henceforth in completing the reforms that you initiated. Your passing, Secretary Jesse, represents a tremendous personal loss for many of us in the development community who have known and worked with you, even dating back to your Naga City days. We have been inspired by your commitment to excellence and refusal to accept mediocrity. You advocated not only for straight and open governance, but smart governance as well. We were humbled by your personal integrity, simplicity, and kindness. Many people are asking, how will all the reforms you initiated be sustained? Perhaps we can get the answer from you, when at one point you said that the people people should be protecting and demanding for good governance. This may be the reason why you have always fought for an engaged citizenry, because they will be the ones to sustain and demand for good governance. As co-chair of the Philippines Development Forum, the World Bank stands committed to continue support for strengthening transparent and accountable local governments and genuine citizen participation in local governance. We trust that the new leadership of the department will sustain and scale up the reforms you started. But the real driving force to continue the reform, as you always reminded us, can only come from the ordinary citizens who don't succumb to the status quo. Let me end my remarks by quoting from your speech, which you gave during the 20th anniversary of the Local Government Code last year. What brings us together is far more powerful than what pulls us apart. What brings us together is the welfare of our people, the greatness of this nation. The best legacy that we can provide to our children's children is the knowledge that we walked the matuwid dumadaan and turned this nation into a great one. Your legacy will continue so long as the people of the Philippines remember you. Your dream will live on so long as we all embrace your spirit in our hearts. Secretary Jesse, maraming salamat.
Aimed at ensuring transparency and accountability, SecJess instituted mechanisms to facilitate systematic and sustained engagement of CSOs, or civil society organizations, and the public. He believed in giving them the chance to be heard and participate in good governance. Thus, presently, we are reaping the gains of the SGH, PCF, LG Watch, among others, as a very useful set of tools that will allow organized citizens to engage with local authorities in a more systematic and structured way in order to make them more transparent, accountable, and efficient. Ladies and gentlemen, as testimonials of these splendid and strategic interventions, we welcome a fellow Bicolano, Dr. Eddie Dorotan, Executive Director of the Galing Po Foundation.
Mula sa Galimpok at mga samahang nagsusulong ng magaling at matinong pamamahala sa gobyerno, isang mainit at maalab na pagpupugay sa iyo, Jess. Palakpakan ho natin si Jess. Dahil sa iyo, Jess, tumakbo akong mayor sa Irusen noong 1992. Mayor ka noong 1988. Nalaman ko sa iyo at napatunayan ko rin na kaya palang talunin ang mga trapo, ang mga tradisyonal na politiko ng mga tulad nating gwapo o mga genuine politicians. Pinatunayan natin na ang tatlong G's ng mga trapo, goons, guns, gold, ay kayang pabagsakin ng 5 G's ng mga gwapo. Ito po yung grassroots support, goodwill, good program of government, girls, women, and guts, a lot of guts. Sabi mo sa akin noon, madali ang manalo, ngunit sadyang mahirap magpatakbo ng gobyerno. Nasa kung titingnan natin, ang umiiral at kaisipan at kalakaran ay tradisyonal. Kailangan maipakita kung paano ito gagawin. Kinakailangan nating mapatunayan ito sa mismong paraan at galing nating Pilipino. Kaya't sabay nating itinaguyod ang malinis na pamamahala. Walang tongpats, walang lagay dito, walang lagay doon, walang pakiusap dito, walang pakiusap doon, walang pangingikil. Pinutunayan din natin. Makinig ho kayo mga governor, mayors at mga kapulisan natin. Pinatunayan din ho natin na kung ayaw ng mayor ng weteng, walang weteng. Kailangan lang bigyan ng alternatibong pagkakakitaan ang mga kubrador at matinong suporta ng ating kapulisan. Di ho ba, Governor? Jesse, sabay din natin isinulong ang mga makabagong paraan sa lokal na pamamahala. Sa Naga, patuloy ang pakinabang na ibibigay ng inyong on-site development sa mga mahihirap, yung urban poor. Buhay na buhay din ang inyong Naga City People's Council na nagbigay anyo sa inyong citizen charter, one of the first kind in the Philippines. Ang inyong Naga Emergency Rescue, early education and development para sa mga bata, productivity improvement ng inyong mga empleyado, at ang inyong Metro Naga Development Council, na hindi lang ang Naga, kundi ang karatig na 13 na munisipyo. Parang yung opal mo, Mayor. Hindi pala, opal. Sa Yususin naman po, ay pinagsikapan namin bigyan ng hugis at isinulong ang P-Zone. Kasi doon sa amin ay nagbabakbakang NPA at military. Sinulong din namin ang reforma sa agraryo at Integrated Area Development Program upang mapalawak pa at malikhain at sama-samang pagpupunyigi para sa tunay at tuloy-tuloy na pag-unlad na ating mamamayan. Maraming salamat, Jess, at naging mas magaan, masaya, at totoong nakakapagpalagay ng kalooban ang paglilingkod sa bayan dahil may kasabay akong kadiwa, kapuso, kaibigan, kapamilya, at kuya. Salamat din, Jess. Tutulong mo sa akin sa Harvard, pati mga gamit niyo ni Lenny. Sa Peabody Terrace ay ipinasa mo sa amin ni Oyan para makapagsimula. Dahil din sa iyo, Jess, kaya nandito ako ngayon sa Galimpuok. Sa pangungulip ninyo ni Ma'am Neni Guevara, ni Emma Porio, at si Ostier, si Yusek Ostier, napawo ako dito sa Galimpuok para mapataguyod ang mga magagaling, mahuhusay, at makabagong programa ng mga pamahalang lokal. Jesse, alam mo ba na dahil sa iyo, ang Naga ang nakakuha ng pinakamaraming Galimpook Awards sa buong Pilipinas? 14 po ito lahat na awards ng Galimpook. 7 outstanding, 3 trailblazing, at 4 na special citations. May gagaling pa ba dyan? Kaya simula yung Jess, ilulunsad namin ng Galimpook sa pangunguna ng aming chairperson, si Nieves Confesor, ang Jess Robredo Governance Award ang pinakamataas na Galimpok Award sa kasalukuyan. So palakpakan ho natin to. Lenny, sa darating din taon,